Hey guys, it's Dimension Scott here, and in this video I'm gonna unbox the complete first and second season new release Harley Quinn seasons 1 and 2. And keep in mind, this is not a kid's cartoon. This is TV MA, mature audiences only. You got the front, season 1, season 2, Harley Quinn, the shark character, Poison Ivy, and others. Others like Clayface. And they really look like they're having fun. I've seen this series myself, and it is mind-blowingly amazing. The first season came out a little while ago on DVD, and I was wondering, why isn't this on Blu-ray? But one day, I discovered on Blu-ray.com that this is going to be released on Blu-ray in February, just in time on the 16th. Thank myself, I decided to hold off for this edition instead of the DVD instead. And here's the front, the back of it. You want to take a moment and pause that. High definition, you have episodes in high definition, 1080p, master audio, subtitles. You got the side here. You have Harley Quinn voiced by Kaylee Kuko. I really don't want to get her name wrong, but I thought she did a fantastic job. And you also have the Joker in this, voiced by Alan. I'm not good at pronouncing names, sorry. But yeah, Poison Ivy voiced by Lake Bell. Got that right? And the series also introduces the Justice League and many other familiar Batman villains, such as Legion of Doom. And I'm gonna unwrap this. Nice. Disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, and there you have it. The complete first 2 seasons of Harley Quinn season 1 and 2 series, and a third season has been greenlit and will debut on HBO Max exclusively. Go out and buy this at your perhaps Best Buy, Amazon. I ordered this from Best Buy just in time with enough money. And let me know in the comments, have you seen this cartoon? What did you think about it? Did you like it? Did you not? Thanks for watching.